While I was working on this trailer, I made the offer on this backhoe and this long trailer. He accepted my offer and he called me. It was 81 miles away. It's in decent shape, but it's set for 12 years. All the pistons leaking. The engine ran pretty good. He put new tires on it recently. He may use the wrong tire over here. I'm gonna replace the new tires. This is implement tires. I don't think it's meant to be for backhoe. But it has a new tire, a new battery. There's a lot of leaks on these pistons. All the pins in good shape. They're real tight. The brake actually, it gets stuck. I think the pin is rusted. I'm gonna have to clean that. It does need a new seat. All the leather gone. He also gave me all this. 2 pockets, a hammer, hydraulic auger with the three augers, hydraulic motor to run the augers. And he gave me this bucket full of teeth and some other small items. This is the covers for the engine for that backhoe. And he had this cinder block holding the tires on this trailer. The trailer in bad shape. It also set for 12 years. He replaced the tires when he put it for sale. It has 8 new tires. I didn't bring it on this trailer. I hired somebody because I didn't feel this trailer is safe. All the wood is rotted. All the lights not working. I put this, and I also have some extra light. I put them outside. So there's gonna be a couple new projects. I'm gonna fix it up before I start using it.